Hey there, this is Mara and welcome back to my Art Break Life and also my day 8 of a thankful Vlogmas. For this day 8 of my thankful Vlogmas, I wanted to kind of delve back into drawing again, and on this particular day, I was feeling a little bit all over the place as far as my emotions were going, and my kids were driving me crazy. And also I was feeling motivated yet unmotivated, and so I thought, you know what, I just need to kind of chill for a bit. So the best way for me to chill is to kind of get back into drawing again, to kind of give me some peace and quiet for my mind. And so since I've been seeing a lot of stationery videos on YouTube, I decided to challenge myself and make a cute character, kind of like a baby little cutesy wootsy character, and draw it doing different emotions. And so I decided to choose Godzilla as my inspiration piece because my son's very much into Godzilla ever since they were little, and my middle son is still very much into Godzilla. He just loves everything about it. I mean, he kind of switches between different characters he likes. Sometimes it's Marvel stuff, sometimes it's Pacific Rim, but Godzilla's always his core favorite. And drew a cute little Godzilla type character doing different emotions. So I did one that was trying to feel strong or exercise, and I also did one that was really full and just, you know, like he ate a lot. And I did a few that were very angry, and because obviously those were the things I was feeling at the time when I was drawing these little characters. So I decided to draw them in my sketchbook. I was contemplating drawing it on my iPad to kind of make it a digital piece, but I just wasn't in the mood, and everything was out as far as my drawing book and everything, so I thought, let's just go back into the drawing book and do it. And so for these characters, I decided to go back to my alcohol pens because I haven't used them in a while, and I figured, you know, they would be fun to play with a little bit. And so in the beginning, when I was drawing these characters, I was trying to figure out a way to draw it that wasn't super complicated. I was trying to keep it super simple. But you know me, I always have to complicate things. So I was trying different ways to draw the feet, the arms, and then the spikes. You have to have the spikes because that's what makes it Godzilla instead of a dinosaur. And so I was just going back and forth between different ways to draw him, I guess. And then I settled on this simple hand, which kind of reminds me of Sanrio's characters like Kero Kero Pi or Ahiro no Peko, where the hands were just like these little flaps. And so I just added little claws to it. And then for the legs, I wasn't sure how to make the legs. I wanted them to be kind of fat and stumpy, and so I made them look kind of like elephant feet in some, and some just like little fat dinosaur feet. And yeah, I really like how these little characters came out. It's really cute and simple, and I really like the color scheme I chose. It's very muted, easy on the eyes, not just shouting at you like bright colors. And I especially like the little guy on the bottom where he's eating that donut because, you know, that's what I felt like eating at the moment. And so I drew a few of them, and then as I was drawing them, my kids were in and out of the room, really, really stressed out. And then the mail came, and I got some happy mail. I had made a lot of purchases from small stationery stores online on Black Friday, and I wasn't expecting anything to come, but I had forgotten I made this purchase before Black Friday. These stickers are from Once More with Love, and I wanted to give these a try. This is the first time I've actually purchased hand-drawn and handmade stickers. And so she was offering these oopsie bundles where it's just random stickers that are either there's some kind of defect with it, and also had some freebies in there too also. But I thought, okay, we'll just give it a try and see how they look. And since I've never purchased stickers like this before, I'm only used to the kind quality you see in the store, so I just was curious like what these stickers look like compared to normal ones I'm used to before buying a whole bunch of these stickers. But this, I forgot I made this order and it came very much later than Black Friday. And so I went ahead and ordered a bunch on Black Friday anyways. So I wanted to see the quality of these stickers before I spent more money and bought more. And so these came in and it made me feel very happy that day because they are just so cute. They're super, super adorable, and they're a lot smaller than I thought they would be because looking at the pictures, they look so big, but I was worried that they'd be too big for the planner that I use, and they're perfect. They're super tiny and they're really cute. The little emoji guy on here, and I really like that simple black and white, you know, very minimal color on these, so you can easily plan with it and have it not clash with what you're writing. And you want your plans to stand out more than the actual stickers because it to be too confusing. And so I really liked how these stickers look. They're supposed to be oopsie stickers, and I can see where some of the mistakes are, but they're not that big of a deal. I mean, some of the colors are slightly off, the lines are a little bit off, but it looks all right to me, and being in my planner, you know, it's perfectly fine. And so there's actually 20 stickers or 20 sheets of stickers in this pack, and it also came with the holidays, so that was pretty cool. And my favorite one out of all of them was the no school sticker, which I used up already at this point because my kids have so many days off from school. It's ridiculous. I don't have enough vacation days to cover all their days off, but yeah, so they have so many no school days, and being that they're in different schools, some days are different from the others, so I have to remind myself what days they don't have school. So this is perfect. And of course my husband and I love to go out to eat for lunch as our little, you know, date days, not date night, but date days, just to kind of like relax without the kids and just have a nice meal. So I love the food stickers. They're perfect. And so yeah, that was a nice surprise that came in the mail today, and it just made me happy because I was feeling very, very stressed out that day and very just tired because the kids were just all over the place screaming, causing a ruckus. So then I went back to coloring in my little Zillas here, and I had drawn 6 that day, but I had also drawn a few more just to kind of get like sketching again. And I thought, well, I might as well color them in since while I'm at it. I got the colors out. I like the color scheme I chose, so I started coloring them all in. And in the chaos of the kids running in and out of my office while I'm doing this, I colored the fire in wrong on that angry Godzilla, or the simmering Zilla, little Zilla. And yeah, the fire is backwards. The yellow's supposed to be on the inside, the orange on the outside, but whatever. That was a big oopsie on my part, but anyway. And then this little guy here, he's how I was feeling at the moment when the kids were running in and out of my office. I was like, oh my gosh, just go. Go play with your toys, go play with each other, leave me alone. And so that's why I drew these little Zillas here. They're kids, I get it, you know. Every parent has those days where they just get so frustrated, they just need that little bit of a break. So that's what this little angry page was about. I was just like, at my wit's end with them. And these little Zillas I was drawing here was during the daytime when they weren't around. It was when they were all at school or at daycare. And so I was in a pretty good mood. So I like the little one on the top right where he's happy. He has a little crown on his head. And I must say, I do like how these little characters came out. I think they're really cute. It does need refinement because I just did these sketches really quickly. And I think if I took this into Procreate, I could probably make them a little bit more, I guess, cleaner and nicer. And I'm just thinking, these would make pretty cute stickers, don't you think? I'm wondering if I should make them into a sticker. I think my son would probably like to have one of these on his water bottle and possibly put this on my journal. I don't know. We'll see where this takes me. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video today of the different Zilla emotions that I was feeling today on this day 8 of this thankful Vlogmas. I am thankful for my children, although they drive me crazy at times. I wouldn't change it for anything. And without them, life would be really boring. For real. Like, there was a point in our marriage before we had kids, it was like the same thing every day. And we thought, oh, is this it? You know, and then we had our kids and oh boy, did things change. But for the better, for the better. If you liked what I did today, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And otherwise, you know what to do. Just keep drawing. And this art break is done. Bye guys!